How you doing? It's May 25th, I believe. It was going to be a special Thursday for me, as though in life oftentimes things don't work out the way we thought they would. But so today I thought what to do, so I took a long lunch. I went up to Enrique at Titusville shoe shop, and my man is an artist. He gave me a tour of his shop, of his equipment that goes back to the 1920s or earlier. And look at these beautiful sandals he fixed for me. They're beautiful. So Enrique, I just want you to know, thank you for making my day. You made it a special day, even though things didn't work out the way I thought they would for today. That's life. Thanks, Enrique, and Titusville Shoe Shop #1.